Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Automation Intelligence. This is Samir Khan. Today we are going to learn how to install Eclipse and set up it in our machine. So before installing Eclipse, it is mandatory to install Java in our machine. So I would recommend you to go through the video in which I have explained how to install in Java. The link is already provided in the description. So let's go ahead with the Eclipse installation. Now to download Eclipse in the browser, let us type Eclipse download. You see this page, click on this link. If we scroll down a bit, you will see this button, click on the download button and then you can click on download. So our Eclipse download has started and it will be done uh, within seconds. Once our download is complete, we will do the initial setup so that we can get started with our first Java program in the Eclipse IDE. So guys, we are almost there. Okay, so download is completed. Let us open the exe file. Let me maximize this so you can see one exe file is there. Just double click on this file to run it. So you can see Eclipse installer is getting started. Just be patient guys. It will take some time as it is trying to do all the initial setup for us. So you will see multiple options here. I would recommend you to go with this one, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And then you can click on the install button, accept. So our installation has started. Maybe it will take some 10 to 20 seconds for the installation to get complete. We are almost there. So it says some artifact download is progressing very slowly. So no need to worry about that. At times it may take some time, but rest assured it will get completed very soon. So that pop-up is gone now. So hoping for the installation to get completed very soon now. So we are almost done with the installation. Okay, so you can see installation completed successfully launch. So let us click on the launch button. You see the pop-up window for Eclipse IDE. This is the latest version of Eclipse that we are installing here, and very soon it will launch our Eclipse. And then so you see this location, C users MDSAM Eclipse workspace. So this is the name with which a folder is getting generated. A folder will be getting generated inside this path. So inside MDSAM, a folder named Eclipse Workspace will get generated. So let us click on the launch button. So you see there the message starting Eclipse IDE. It might take some time when you launch it for the first time, but from there on it will be very quick, guys. So you see we have successfully launched our Eclipse IDE and done the initial setup as well. So these are a few links that you get here. It's like tutorials, some samples that you want to check, or how you want to create Java project and all. But as of now, you don't need to worry about all this because I'll be uploading videos related to all these topics. As of now, we can close this welcome button, and you see we have successfully installed our Eclipse IDE in our machine. From here, you see we have all the options from Go, and then from new we can go here and create a Java project or class or package. So in the upcoming videos, I'll be explaining about all these things. What is a class? What is a package? What's a Java project? And then we'll get started with our first Java program. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my work, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you get the notification easily. Thank you.